Welcome back to Mirror and Thread. Today I have a J. Crew factory haul for you, and I am a J. Crew girl through and through. I love the classic style, but I hardly ever shop at actual J. Crew because the prices are just too high for me. The factory has such good options, same quality as J. Crew, but the price point is much better and they always run crazy sales. So I've got really good workwear options for you as well as some casual, and stay tuned for number 4 because I think I found the most fun pair of pants that have ever existed. We're gonna start with this more casual look because I've already worn this a couple times and it is just so easy and comfy. This is a little graphic tee from there, and I personally love their graphic tees. I think a lot of the boutique graphic tees, first of all, they can run super oversized and they can also start to look very juvenile to me, some of the prints. These are really chic. They're very easy to dress up. These you can almost do with a blazer and make it work for workwear. So I feel like it's very versatile. Plus they're these really soft t-shirt material. It doesn't cling to the skin, but it's also not that super oversized fit either. So I get the mediums in these, and I think the print on this is so cute. You probably know how I feel about a linen blend trouser at this point because I keep putting these in every video that I do, but this pair is so good. I love the stripe for something just a little bit different, just a hint of, I don't know, something unique versus just your classic white pair or tan pair. They do come in plain colors as well, and I think a couple of other fun prints too, but these are the medium. They are a good pull-on elastic waist, super comfy. These could even work as a swim cover-up for vacation, or you can dress them up with a pump or something and wear them for workwear too. One of my favorite finds of the day, and honestly, when I think of J. Crew, this is what comes to mind for me. Just a classic silhouette, black and white stripe, something that you can wear forever and just immediately look chic as soon as you put it on. This one's a great option for workwear because it's super comfortable. It's like t-shirt fabric on the top, and then the bottom has kind of loose flowiness to it. But because the bottom is this kind of more structured material, it's easy to dress up for workwear. So I did it with a flat, which I think would work for work. You could do a blazer over it, or you could do this with a simple sandal or even a sneaker and a denim jacket for something more casual too. I am in the small. Okay guys, if you wear business casual or business professional to work and you do not buy these pants, I'm going to actually personally be mad at you because these are so much fun. Try and tell me that you could put these on in the morning and have a bad day. It's not going to happen. These are little joy maker pants, and I just think they're the cutest things ever. Really fun take on a simple khaki or chino pant. So they are that classic chino fit. They're just a straight leg ankle pant, so just your classic workwear slacks, but the polka dots really gives them something extra, and especially for spring, I just think they're adorable. Paired those with this simple button-down top. This is a really, really good basic that will go with basically all of your workwear things, or even just if you have a nice skirt that you need a top for, something for graduation, Easter, something like that. This works well for that too. It's got the cute little ruffle collar detail and the puff sleeve. I love a simple white jean for spring, and this one's really fun because it is a cropped flare, so it's slim through the leg and then kind of flares out, which I just think such a cute and flattering fit. This is a mid-rise too, so it hits a little bit below the belly button. Only thing on this one, I ordered the 27, which is my true size, and I got the petite length. I'm 5'3", and I feel like these are hitting me just a little too short, so if I were to go back and do this, I would trade these in for the regular length just because I like more of an ankle fit and not like a mid-calf fit for something like this. Although I do think capris are coming back, so I don't know, maybe these are the intended fit, but these are a really good one. They're not see-through, great quality denim. Here's another really fun pant, workwear pant option, or you can wear them casually too. I wore these to church on Sunday. I think I posted the photo and I got several compliments on these. So they're actually patch pocket. It's kind of hard to see because of the leopard print, but they're patch pocket in the front and in the back. And these are more of a wide leg fit, and these fit me as full length. I don't think I got the petite. No, I did get the petite. So I got the 27 petite in these, and they are definitely more full length. They're not ankle on me, which is the intended fit, but these come in like a navy floral and then some other fun colors as well. This top I've had since last year. It is the denim version of the white one that I shared, and this is one of those things that doesn't have a lot of sparkle and shine, but it's one of those items that I grabbed to wear out of my closet so much and has probably been one of my most worn items since last spring. If you love the fit of a bodysuit, but you don't like the idea of having to snap the weird things that a bodysuit has, this is a really good top option. So it has that snug fit like a bodysuit. Honestly, the material and makeup and everything is very, very similar to several of my bodysuits, but it's just a normal top bottom. Doesn't have snaps or anything crazy. It is pretty long, so this will tuck in really nicely to jeans, skirt, pants, anything that you need it to tuck into. I'm in the medium, and honestly, I probably could have used the small just for that more snug fit. I've been seeing this style of denim short a lot for summer this year, and I think they are so cute. These kind of remind me a lot of one that's on Madewell's website right now. And Madewell and J. Crew are, I guess, sister companies or whatever, but these are a much more affordable price point, and honestly, they look pretty indistinguishable to me, and they run sales on these all the time. So if you've had your eye on the Madewell ones, I would get this version. So they have the patch pockets in the front and in the back. These have a little bit of stretch to them, so they're a really comfortable denim to wear. They're not gonna feel stiff and uncomfortable. And they have a little additional room in the thigh and booty so they aren't clinging to my skin, which I love, and I'm in the 6 in these. That's a wrap on the latest from J. Crew Factory. You can find all the links in the video description. Thanks for watching.